Is your mom still selling books?
Yeah, she's been doing it for over 8 years, and if it wasn't for ScoutIQ, I don't know where she would be. How about yourself, TJ? How's your book business going?
It's going great, man. I'm running a full-time book business, and ScoutIQ has been a huge part of my success.
ScoutIQ's been a blessing, and I'm so grateful to be a part of this community.
Everybody say ScoutIQ. Put your hands in the air for ScoutIQ.
Come on.
Everybody scream ScoutIQ. Put your phones in the air for ScoutIQ.
Caleb.
Everybody say ScoutIQ. Put your hands in the air for ScoutIQ. Everybody scream ScoutIQ. Put your phones in the air for ScoutIQ.
I remember scanning books back in the day. Had to dare some 51 on my waist. Used to hit the thrift store for a year or two. Then I learned about this app, it was called ScoutIQ. It even had eScore, but what the hell is that? Then I learned that it shared all the sales from the past. Damn, it was crazy. Now my books are moving so fast. Do the math, if you scan without the app, then you trash, man, it's easy. I gotta shout out my boy Reezy. And Romer to Romer, I know this sounds cheesy, but if it wasn't for this community, I'd probably be working a job that I hate permanently. It's all love, I hope that you know that it's true. Matthew, thanks for everything you done for us too. You helped my mom retire. Caleb, thanks for the ticket, but could someone please help me raise my restock limits? Let's go.
Everybody say ScoutIQ. Put your hands in the air for ScoutIQ.
Come on.
Everybody scream ScoutIQ. Put your phones in the air for ScoutIQ. Everybody say ScoutIQ. Put your hands in the air for ScoutIQ. Everybody scream ScoutIQ. Put your phones in the air for ScoutIQ. Selling books, I feel I'm the best. I just got the ScoutIQ logo tatted on my chest. Never rest, no bull with all the books I go through. Got the warehouse looking like a Barnes & Noble. All I see is green on ScoutIQ. All you see is red, you scanning the duds that someone sold you. Raiken asked me how my sales are, I'm doing fine, man. I could sell a book to a blind man with no hands. Now it's time to get him shook. I saw Caleb in the Gaylord, and he wasn't scanning no books. And yo, Romer, I was at a book sale. True story, a guy told me he sends his counterfeit books to restricted inventory. But don't worry, cause I tell you why. I scraped him harder than Cash Monkey scrapes the API. I shouldn't have said that. Don't hate me, guys. I'm stacking all these books up till they reach the sky. I got the ScoutIQ database planted in my head, so even if my phone dies, I got these books memorized. I scan books 24/7, and even when I die, I'm gonna be at a book sale in heaven, scanning the religious section. Yeah, cause you know I'm nice. I just found a first edition Bible signed by Jesus Christ. Catch me on eFlip, drop 100K, get my paperback. Y'all softer than a paperback. Scan these books like laser tag.
TJ, it's been great to connect with you, man. It's been way too long.
Yeah, thanks for having me, man, but I gotta go.
You gotta go? You literally just got to my house.
I got a book sale to go to.
You can find books any day of the week.
Yeah, I gotta use ScoutIQ.
Yeah, well, that makes sense, man. Hopefully you go out there and make that money.